Hey, what's up guys? So if you're used to content aware fill in Photoshop, Adobe just released a new feature in After Effects so we can do it with video. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. Roll that intro. Alright, what's up guys? So today, the day I'm making this video, Adobe just released some new updates to their apps. So Premiere Pro has an update where it has a new workspace and you can kind of edit your edit before you edit it. Kind of some weird workflow stuff. And then Audition has a new audio ducking feature where you can duck the ambience to your dialogue and stuff. And then there's also a new character animation feature with the app, so that's pretty cool. But today we are going to be talking about the content aware fill from After Effects. I thought it was pretty cool. When I saw that on the list of things, I was like, that is the thing. I want to learn that thing. That is going to be the thing that's going to be dope. So today I'm going to show you guys a little bit of my experience, my first experience with it. So let's go. Alright guys, so I went in and I tried to track the mask with After Effects, but that didn't work. So I ended up going in and tracking the mask by hand. So I just keyframed from start to end where the little dude was. And then I created a reference frame in Photoshop, just doing the content aware fill in Photoshop. And then that gave After Effects the reference frame. And then it just rendered out and I had my result. And it didn't turn out the best, but when clicking generate fill layer, it produced worse results. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you sticking around watching the whole video. If you did, please leave it a like and all that good stuff. I hope I helped you learn a little bit about the new content aware feature with After Effects. I didn't produce the best results, but maybe you can produce better results and I would love to see those. So hit me up, send it to me, message it to me, whatever, you know the deal. So yeah, have a great day, bye. In Adobe Audition, they made it so you can duck that's what it is, yeah. Good job, Tyler.